Hey, welcome back everyone. So, bit of a challenge today. If this video here gets 1,000 views, I'm gonna post a tutorial so that you can learn how to do this for your family and friends. So make sure you share, subscribe, hit that like button, and comment in the comment section. Without further ado, let's get into it. I have my assistant with me here. She's gonna help me. If you don't mind, just take those aces one by one and put them wherever you want, face down into the deck.
Okay.
Perfect. When you're done, you can put the cards together so there's no funny business. There you go. Amazing. So I'm going to take the cards and I'll just give them one more quick shuffle so that the cards are truly lost, and then we'll start. So if you could do me a favor now, pick up those cards and just make 4 even piles. Just cut 4 even piles out of that deck. Perfect. They can be roughly even. And give me your favorite number, something small, maybe 1 to 5.
3.
Perfect. So let's take the first deck.
This one?
Yep. And let's take 3 cards, your number, off the top, put them to the bottom, and then deal 1 card face down on top of each of the decks. There we go. Perfect. You can put that down. You can pick up the second deck. And again, take 3 cards, put them to the bottom. Perfect. And let's deal another face down card on top of each of the decks. Same thing with the third one. 3 cards to the bottom.
On each?
And 1 on each, just like last time, yep. And last time, yep, you got it. 3 cards to the bottom. Perfect. So let's recap. You put the aces wherever you wanted into the middle of the deck. We put the cards together, gave it a quick shuffle, and then you cut the cards wherever you wanted. You picked a number, 3. That's how many cards we moved from the top of the deck to the bottom. And then we dealt 4 face down cards on each of these decks. All right, super fair. Let's see what you did. Flip over that first card.
Starting here?
Ace of diamonds. Second one. Ace of hearts. Third one. Ace of clubs. And that last one, could it be?
Wow.
Hope you guys enjoyed that. Remember, if I get 1,000 likes, I'm going to post a tutorial to this video, teach you guys how to do this for your family and friends, so make sure you share it with everyone. Thanks again. Bye-bye.